About that one. That one. About. About that one. That one. 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 About that one. That one.
What is on that page? What is that right there?
Hippo.
What's the hippo doing? Oh, look! The planets! What planets do you see? What's that planet called?
Saturn.
What's that planet called?
Mars.
No, what's that one called? That's the one we live on.
Earth.
That's right. What is that one right there?
Moon.
What shape is the moon?
Crescent.
A crescent. What is, do you remember what this is called?
Telescope.
A telescope.
Yes.
What is that right there?
Space.
Spaceship.
Rocket.
A rocket, yep. What other planets